Hi friends! In this video, I'm sharing my little experience growing taro for the first time. And with great pleasure, I'm also sharing my recipe for making taro fritters. And not only that, I have also mentioned here some health benefits gained by eating taro. Also, how to differentiate between Colocasia and Alocasia species of taro. Most varieties of Colocasia species are edible, while most varieties of Alocasia species are not edible. Taro is a perennial tropical plant grown primarily for its edible starchy corm. There are 112 edible varieties of taro all over the world. Each has its own unique flavor and taste. Taro plants are true yams. Its scientific name is Colocasia esculenta. This herbaceous plant is commonly known as Keladi in my country in Malaysia. In other parts of the world, it is known as Kalo, Dashin, Edo, Arbi, Mathumbe, Marope, and the names go on. How to differentiate Colocasia and Alocasia species of taro? Of the two species of taro, Colocasia and Alocasia, Colocasia species has the most edible varieties, cultivated for food. However, most varieties of Alocasia species are not edible and they are usually grown as decorative plants. Some are even highly poisonous and eating them could be fatal. The easy way to distinguish between Colocasia and Alocasia species is to observe their leaves. Colocasia leaves tend to droop or hang at a downward angle. On the other hand, Alocasia leaves tend to point upwards or extend horizontally. Taro plants have a starchy underground stem known as a corm. Corms are developed just below the soil surface. Taro plants do best in compost-rich soil. However, periodic fertilization every 3 to 4 weeks will increase yields tremendously. Taro can be grown in large containers or in the ground. How to propagate taro? The taro plant rarely flowers and so do not produce viable seeds for propagation. Taro plants are mostly propagated by baby corms or suckers arising from the base of the central mother corm. They may also be propagated by stolons arising from lateral buds from the sides of the corm. Each mother plant normally generates multiple suckers and stolons around its base after the third month of planting. The leafy top of the central corm can also be used in propagation. Taro plants take 9 to 12 months for corms to mature. The corms are ready for harvest when the leaves turn yellow and show signs of drying. Each plant produces a single corm that can sometimes weigh up to 2 kg or more. My first taro harvest. This is the first taro root I harvested from my taro patch. Comparatively very small, but indeed I am so happy. My first time planting and successfully harvesting Keladi variety. Keladi variety is one of the favored yams to grow in Malaysia. This variety is easily distinguished from other varieties by the purple spot at the center of the leaf. The corm has a brown outer skin and white flesh with purple specks throughout. The corms are so flavorful and super delicious. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made taro fritters with my first harvest. The first step is to peel off the brown outer skin. The taro root is then washed and sliced into desired pieces. The thickness should be between 1 to 2 cm and not too thick. The thicker slices may take longer time to cook. A simple batter is made using a mixture of rice flour and wheat flour. The batter consistency should not be too runny or too thick. It should be just right. A flowing consistency is ideal. We can easily test the batter consistency by dipping a metal spoon into the batter. The metal spoon will remain coated with the batter if the consistency is right. To a mixing bowl, add half cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt to make the batter. Add the water a little at a time to make the batter with the right consistency. If the batter is too runny, adjust by adding a little more flour. Each taro piece is then dipped in the batter and fried to a golden crispy texture. What are the health benefits eating taro? Taro roots are an excellent source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and they have good carbohydrates. This good carbohydrate in taro is actually a special type of starch known as resistant starch. About 12% of the starch in cooked taro is resistant starch, making it an excellent source of this nutrient. Our digestive system is unable to digest this resistant starch. Thus, eating taro will not raise blood sugar levels unnecessarily. In fact, eating taro improves the function of our digestive system and can contribute to healthy weight loss. One of the most significant health benefits from eating taro root is that it can help maintain our immune system. A healthy immune system is essential to protect us against common sickness such as the flu and cold. Taro fritters are so delicious, crispy on the outside, but so soft and tender on the inside. Delicious snacks anytime. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Have a wonderful, blessed, and healthy life.